much better than before. So I have this insect sprayer, and the spraying part of it no longer works. So I took it apart, and of course you have this part here where you have the suction tube. So first thing you do is just push this green tube up the cap here and see if it works. If it doesn't, you have to take apart the nozzle here like I did. What I'm going to do is, I think this part no longer seals it, no longer makes a tight seal, so I'm going to cut off maybe ½ an inch of this and then plug it into the pump here and see if it'll work better. So the third part of the pump that can have an air leakage is this part here where the tube goes in. So I pull this out, I cut out maybe an inch, and I push the tube back in and tighten it, and you can lay it on the side for a little bit, and so you can prime the pump, and the pump should be working like this now after you put this cap on here. So you get these ants here. Right now it's spraying very well. You can be 2 or 3 feet away from the knot.